some of the revision means which are important topic related to this chapter. So you have already learned about how to find the factor. 28 के फैक्टर, 16 के फैक्टर, ये सब हम लोगों ने पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं. Let's do some of the warm-up session. So warm-up session में देखो 28, ये 28 के फैक्टर कैसे फाइंड करेंगे हम लोग? We have to take least possible number. So least possible natural number apart from 1. तो 1 को छोड़ के natural number कहाँ से शुरू होते हैं? 2 से. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means this way they start. So 28, what are the factor means do first start with 2. So do 28 is divisible by 2. Yes, of course, because we know the divisibility of 2. What is it? Unit place must contain 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 ones are 2, fours are. So again check whether, see, use 2 unless and until. We means जब तक वहां तक डिवाइड देना है इसको, जब तक ये 2 से डिवाइड होना बंद ना हो जाए तब तक यूज you have to use 2 unless and until it can't be divided by that respective number. So 2 sevens are what? 14. Now observe here, we can't divide 7 by 2, so check with 3. Obviously 3 can't be divided by 2, 4 and so 5 and 7. So 7 is the only option remain. So we will write it 7 ones are 1 here. So multiply all these numbers and we find out that 28 factors are 2 multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 1. So 28 factors are 2 multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 1. So see, this way you have learned about how to find the factors, and this is nothing but what? Prime factor, because 2 is what? Prime, 7 is what? Prime, and 1 we have take, because 1 is factor of every number. So these are what? Prime factorization of number, and every number can be written in the prime product of primes. Okay, so factorization. The topic is factorization. Factorization. See, now we have to find the factors of 16x cube y. See, find the factors of 16x cube y in irreducible. Means irreducible factorization means what? अगर हम लोगों ने एक बार इसके फैक्टर फाइंड कर लिए तो उसके और फैक्टर नहीं निकलने चाहिए. तो वही मतलब उसी को बोलते हैं irreducible. फैक्टर्स यानी क्या? उस चीज के दो टुकड़े इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, मतलब उन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करे बाद वो रिस्पेक्टिव नंबर मिलना चाहिए. 4 के फैक्टर क्या हुआ? 2 multiply 2. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाई 2 multiply 2 वी आर गेटिंग एट द एंड 4. So what are the factor of 16x cube y? Again find the factor 16. Then 2 8s are 16. Okay. Then 2 4s are 8. Okay. This way we are going. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 1 2 here. Then 16x cube y having factor 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. What is the factor of x cube? X multiply x multiply x. And y, see, x having power 3, so we have written x 1 2 3 times, and y having power 1, so we have written y once. Observe here that whenever the power is x raised to 5, so we have to write x 5 times, because we are using nothing but laws of indices. Powers are, bases are same and powers are added. Here x power is 1, x power is 1, x power is 1. So bases are same, all having bases x. So x raised to 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. So x raised to 3. इस तरीके से हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे. Then what comes? 60 y having power 1, so I have written only 1. So this is what these are irreducible factorization. Irreducible factorization. Now we will see about finding H.C.F. Okay, so H.C.F. means what? Highest common factor. Highest common factor, the name itself suggests that we have to find, just go from reverse. H.C.F. Go from end, means आखिरी में क्या आता है एफ, एफ मीन्स फैक्टर, फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर, फिर उसके बाद में क्या आता है सी आता है, सी यानी क्या कॉमन, फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट फैक्टर देन गो फॉर कॉमन एंड देन गो फॉर हाईएस्ट. So the name itself suggests you that we have to first find out the factor, but HCF is between two numbers. HCF कभी भी कितने नंबर के बीच में होता है, two numbers के बीच में. So what is the HCF of HCF? HCF highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay, so highest common factor. See, go from here factor, then find common and then go for highest. So see, what is the HCF of 16 and 12? Just find out we have already find out the factor of 16. What is it? 16 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, and 12. If you want to write 1, you can write 12. See, now we will find the factor of 12. So 2 apart from 1, take the natural number, so take 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, then 2 we can't divide 3 with 2, so 3 1s are 3 and 1 as it is. So what is the factor of 12? 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, 3 multiply 1. Okay, so multiply 1. Okay, so what we find out? We first find out the factor. Okay, we have find out the factor. Now we have to find the common. So 2 is here also, 2 is here. Okay, now 1 is here. So HCF of 16, 12, it can be represented in a round bracket. So see, 2 occurring in both, write only once. Okay, 2 occurring in both, write only once. 1 occurring in both, write only once. So what is it? 4. So 16, the HCF of 16 and 12 is what? 4. What is the meaning of HCF? Basically that it is the highest number which is divisible. मतलब उससे 12 को भी division होता है, 16 को भी division होता है. इसके अलावा हम लोग I can challenge you that you can't find any number which can divide 16 as well as 12. मतलब ऐसा दोनों का कॉमन होना चाहिए हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर का भी, कि दोनों में जब इससे भी डिवीजन होता है इसको भी डिवीजन होता है. तो देखो 16 को 4 से डिवीजन होता है, हाँ होता है, 4 1 4 4 जा. नाउ चेक फॉर 12, 4 3 this. So we find out now this is about the numbers, but what about algebraic expression? For that we will go algebraic expression constitute various forms like monomial, binomial, trinomial. So we will start with monomial, then go for binomial, and the method of binomial is applicable for all the polynomial. जो method हम लोग binomial के पढ़ेंगे वो हर किसी के लिए apply होगी. तो हम लोग पहले शुरुआत कहाँ से करते हैं? monomial से. So let's take the example 16x square y comma 12x. Okay, I am taking this example only. So first find the factor of each term or each expression. So 16 factor is what? I have taken purposely the same numbers just because you will understand. So what is the factor of 16? 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Okay, multiply. Now x square. I already told you that power is 2. Then we have to write the variable in 2 times. Okay, because we are applying the laws of InLogicalmath. So x multiply x. Now y appears only once, so write y once. Now 12x. So 12x. What are the factor of 12? We have already found 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 1. So x appearing having power 1. So write x only once. So now what we can observe here? That 2 appear in both. 2 यहाँ पर भी आ रहा है, यहाँ पर भी आ रहा है, 2 यहाँ आ रहा है, यहाँ पर भी आ रहा है, 3 है नहीं आ रहा है, x दोनों में आ रहा है. तो हम लोगों ने पहले we first find out factor, then find out the common one, and then we'll go for highest. So at the end what we will find out? Highest common factor. सो क्या करेंगे हम लोग 16x² y कॉमा 12x. ओके, सो इन दोनों में मैंने बोला ये रिप्रेजेंटेशन है HCF का. सो 2 मल्टीप्लाई x. So what is it? 4x. Okay. So the highest common factor for this algebraic expression is 4x. Now this is what monomial, but we will go for binomial, and that binomial method वो हर polynomial पे applicable होगी. So take the example, we will again take 16x² y plus 12x. Okay, I am taking the same examples. So what are the factor of 16? We will again find out. So 16, 2 8s are 2, 4s are 2, 2s are 4 na, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 1s are 1 here. So 16 factor are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. X square है which factor? X multiply x and y multiply y plus 12x. 12 factor are what? 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 1 put here. So 12 factor are 2 multiply 2 multiply wait 2 6s are 12. Okay, my mistake. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are here 3 and here 3. Okay, so factor of 12 are 2 multiply 3 multiply x having power 1, so multiply it only once. So now what are the common? Okay, here also 2 appears, here also 2 appear, here also 2 appear, here also 2 appear, and then x appearing both. So take 2 multiply x outside the bracket, and what is remaining? देखो क्या क्या रिमेन है? देखो ये सब रिमेन है, देखो इतना रिमेन है, तो जो रिमेन और प्लस भी बचा हुआ है. सो व्हाट वी कैन ऑब्जर्व, जो रिमेनिंग चीजें है उसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिख दो. सो 2 multiply 2 multiply x multiply y plus what is remain after plus 3 multiply x. Now do the multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 multiply x is 4x. Then 2 multiply x, 2 2s are 4, 4 multiply x, 4x multiply by 4xy plus 3x. Okay, so these are the this is the way to find HCF of binomial. Okay, now we will move towards another topic is find the HCF by regrouping. Okay, we have to find the HCF by regrouping. Finding HCF by finding factors by regrouping. Okay, factors by regrouping. Okay, so take 12. Now means what we also take common from these. Okay, see, observe here. Okay, so what we can see, what is common in between. So first take out the factor of 12. We have already find out, so I am directly writing. So what is this? 2 multiply 3 means 4 3s are 12, and x square having 2 powers, so x will appear 2 times. X multiply x. Y having 1 power, so y appear only 1. Plus 4x can be written 2 multiply x plus 3xy plus 1. So see, what we can see here, what is common? This 2 appear here also, here also, here also 2, here also 2. X appear here as well as here. So what we can do? Take common. 2 multiply x. What is remain? don't go x, then y plus. This entire thing is outside, so we have to write plus 1. Okay, now in both this term there is nothing common, so we can do one thing. We can take 1 as outside. Okay, so 1 3xy plus 1. Now take the multiplication. So 2 multiply x is what? 4x. And take the multiplication of 3 multiply x 3x and multiply by 3xy plus 1 plus 1 3xy. But observe here what is again common. This bracket is common. Okay, so we will take outside the bracket 3xy plus 1. So 3xy plus 1. Okay. But what has remained? This 4x remained with plus 1. So write this 4x plus 1 in another bracket. So this is the way to find the factors by regrouping, and this is the regrouping we have done. We have just taken these. Okay, sometimes what happen, they might have asked you 3xy. Instead of 4xy, they have written 3xy here and 4xy here. So what you have to do, just interchange them, and this is take out the 3xy plus 1 outside it, and these are the words. And factorization is nothing but what I already told you, that two either they can be algebraic expression and they can be written in product form. So see, bracket is nothing but what? Multiplication. We will move towards our exercise of factorization chapter, 7th chapter. So we have to find the reduce the following algebraic expression in terms of prime factor. So first we will do the same method of finding these are what? Monomial. Okay, so a is what? 4a square b. Okay, what are the factor of 4? Use the same method. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1 as it is. Okay, so 4 can be written as 2 multiply 1. A appears 2 because its power is 2. So what we can write instead of a square? A multiply a, and then b occurs only once. So what we get? B. So now similarly, to find the factor of minus 25x, now we will move toward our exercise 7.1. What they have told that we have to reduce the following terms in terms of prime factorization. So a is what? 4a square b, and we can write 4 as 4 equal 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1 as it is. So we can write 4 as 2 multiply 1. And what is a square? See, do this factorization in rough page. Okay, if you have rough page available with you, so a square, a having which power? 2 power. So a will appear 2 times. So a multiply b. Okay, so 4a square, b having factor 2 multiply 2 multiply a multiply b. Now comes second, b minus 25 xy cube. First find the factor of 25. So 25 factor we can't divide this 25 because I have already told you that take the means start from natural numbers. So natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But we can't divide with 1. So we have to take 2. So but we know that the divisibility of 2 does not satisfy here, because what is divisibility of 2? Unit place must contain 0 to 4, 6. और यहाँ पर क्या मिल रहा है हम लोगों को? यूनिट प्लेस पे 5 है, और we know the divisibility of 5 is what? Unit place must contain either 0 or 5. Here it is 5, so we can divide directly by 5. 5 5 are 5, 1 are 1, put here as it is. Okay, so now we, instead of 25, Write 5 multiply 5, okay? And x, its power is 1, so write x as 1, and y cube, so write y, and y cube power is 3, so write 3, means 3 times y. So y multiply y, and minus is remaining, put as it is minus sign. So what is the factor of 25 and minus 25? Xy cube minus 5 multiply 5 multiply x multiply y multiply y multiply y. Now comes C question 54 and cube n square. So now find the factor of 54. 54 factor are 2. Again same procedure, don't divide with 1. 2. We can divide 54 by 2. So what we get? 2. Here 2 to the 4, 1 is remaining 14, 27. We can divide 27 by 2. So we will divide it by 3. 3 9s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are. Okay. So 54 can be written as 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply n cube. Okay. N cube. Instead of n cube, we can write m multiply n. So m multiply n. As power is 3, so we have written n multiply n 3 times. Similarly, n square. Okay, n square can be written as n multiply n. Now we observe that 54 n cube n square having the factor 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply m multiply m multiply m multiply n multiply n. And the last question 6x y square z cube. So 6 factor are what? The same way, find the factor 6. 2 3s are 3, 1s are 1 as it is. So 6 factor is 2 multiply 3 multiply 1. X having power 1, so write x once. Now by having power 2, write by 2 times. Okay. Z having 3 power, write z 3 times. And give multiplication sign. So this is the way to find the prime factor of given monomial. These are what? Monomial. Okay. The H.C.F of a given monomial. Exercise 7.1 second question they have given to us. That we have to find the H.C.F of given monomial. And it is a second question from exercise 7.1. So we will go for first question. First, A is minus 7 minus 9 cube 27p. So first we will find out the factor of each term. Okay. So minus 7 cube, 9 having what factor? 9 factor is 9. 3 3s are 3, 1s are. Why I have taken 3? Because we can't divide 9 by 2. So I have taken after 2, 3 comes, and by 3 we can do the division of 9. So 9 can be written as 3 multiply 3 and minus sign as it is multiply, and q is having power 1, so it will be written only once. Now 27p. Answer of A. This is answer of A. So 27p. Now 27 factor are, we can divide it by 2, so go for 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So instead of 27, write 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. P having power 1, so multiply it by P. Okay. So now take the common, because I have already told you we have find out the factor. Now go for common. So 3 appear here. Now 3 here also. So factor of H.C.F of minus 9 cube comma 27p will be 3 appearing in both. So write only once. 3 appearing in both, only once, and then you are done. So 3 multiply 3 is 9. So 9 is the H.C.F of A. Now go for B question. B is what? 15a square comma 35a cube B. So now 15a square. So what are the factor of 15? we can't divide by 2, so we will go for 3. So 3 5s are 5 1s are and 1 here. So factor of 15 are 15, 3 multiply 5, 15 a square is 3 and a having power 2, so we can multiply a by 2, means 2 times we will multiply a. Now 35 a cube b, so 35. 35 we can't divide by 2, so we will go for 3. So even we can't divide by 3, okay, because the sum of the digit, मतलब 3 plus 5 क्या होता है 8 होता है, which is not divisible by 3. So what is the divisibility of 3? Sum of the digit must be divisible by 3, then only it is divisible by 3. So 3 plus 5 is 8 and it is not divisible by 3, so we can't take 3, go for 4. 4 से नहीं होगा, 5 ले लो, 5 से होगा ही, because unit plus contains 5. So 5 7s are 7 1s are, okay. So 35 factor of 5 multiply 7 and a having power 3, so multiply a by 3 means multiply a 3 times, and then b, okay. So 3 appearing in 3 don't appear in both, 5 दोनों में आ रहा है, इसमें भी आ रहा है a, इसमें आ रहा है, इसमें आ रहा है. So factor of 15 a square, 35 a cube b. So 5 multiply a, so 5a. Now we will go for C question. C question is 44 a square, 45 ab, 55 ab. So 44 a square, okay. What is the factor? First we find what is the factor of 44 a square. So what is the 44 factor? 2 2s are, okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, okay. Then 2 11s are, okay, 2 11s are 22. 11 we can't divide 11 by any of the numbers, so we will directly divide 11 by itself. So 11 1s are, because it's prime. So 44 a square can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 11, a having power 2, so a multiply a. So a multiply a, okay. So a multiply a. So now 55 ab, 55 ab. Now find the factor of 55. 55. So we can't divide by 2, so directly go for 5 because unit place contains 5. So 5 1s are 5 1s are, okay. And then we can't divide 11 by any of the number apart from 11. So 11 1s are 1. So 55 ab having factor 5 multiply 11 ab. AB in product we directly write it. So H.C.F of 44 a square, 55 ab. So देखो यहाँ पर a यहाँ पे भी आ रहा है, यहाँ पर भी आ रहा है. 5 अभी 11 यहाँ पे आ रहा है, यहाँ पर आ रहा है. Okay. So what we observe, 11 multiply a. So 11a is the highest common factor, okay. So 11a देखो ना, 11 44 a square को जब हम ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो 11 से डिवीजन होने वाला है, ओके. और यहाँ पर 50a भी को भी 11a से डिवीजन होगा. So 11 5 is 55, a will get cancelled. So this is the way. Now we will go for another questions. We will go for D question. So D question is 18 n square 36 m n p. Okay, so 18 n square. So 18 n square. So 18, what is the factor of 18? Find here. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So multiply with, so instead of 18 we can write 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 1. M having 2 powers, so m can be written as m multiply m. And n having 2 powers, so n multiply n. So now 36 m n p. 36 m n p equals to 36. So what are first divide by 2? 1s are 2. So 1 is remaining, 16, it will become 16. So 2 8s are, now 2 9s are 18. We can't divide by 2, so go for 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 1. Here take the 36 instead of 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 1. M and P. M multiply M and P. So there is no, all having M and P having one power, so all will appear only once. Give just multiplication sign. So M multiply N multiply P. So HCF will be of this. Check, we have find out factor, just go for common. 2 appear in both, write once. 3 appear in both, write once. Then N appear in both, write once. Then N appear in both, write once. So 6, 2 multiply 3 and Mn, right. So 6 Mn is the HCF of these two terms. Now go for E. E is what? 12x square. So now 12x square y square z. So 48x cube y cube z. Okay. So 12x square y square z. So what is the factor of 12? We have find several times. So 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 3 1s are. So 12x square y square z equals to instead of 12 what we have 2 multiply 3 x square x multiply x having 2 powers, so take the multiplication twice. Y having 2 powers, so y multiply by and z. So 48. Now 48. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 3, 1s are. So 48 x cube y cube z. So 48 instead of 48 what we are to write? 2 multiply 3 multiply x having 3 power, so take the multiplication thrice. x की पावर 3 है इसलिए 3 बार मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, और y की पावर 3 है तो 3 बार मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो y मल्टीप्लाई z having 1 power, so take only 1. अभी देख लो HCF क्या होगा. HCF 2 इसमें भी आ रहा है, इसमें भी आ रहा है, एक बार लिख दो. इसमें भी आ रहा है 2, इसमें भी आ रहा है, एक बार लिख दो. और क्या आ रहा है 3 इसमें भी आ रहा है, इसमें भी आ रहा है, लिख दो. अभी x इसमें भी आ रहा है, इसमें भी आ रहा है, लिख दो. फिर इसमें भी x है, इसमें भी x है, लिख दो एक बार. और फिर y की तरफ जाए, y इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है, एक बार. y इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है, लिख दो. फिर z इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है, तो लिख दो. तो क्या होगा 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12. x कितनी बार है? 2 बार है. बेसिस सेम है, पावर्स भी क्या होगी? एडिशन. सो x स्क्वायर. और फिर ये क्या है? y. यहाँ पे भी 1 है, 1 पावर है तो y स्क्वायर. और ये क्या हुआ? z. सो द HCF of these two term is 12x square y square z. Now we will go for 98 and 112 x y z. Okay, so do this as a homework. अगर ये नहीं समझ में आता है तो you can mention in the comment कि ये नहीं आ रहा है. और ये G वाला G जो एग्जाम्पल है we will, because इसमें 3 मोनोमियल दी है तो इसलिए HCF फाइंड करके देती हूँ. एंड इसके बाद के जो एग्जाम्पल है इज फॉर होमवर्क. अगर नहीं आते हैं देन मेंशन इन द कमेंट. एंड अगर कमेंट्स आते हैं कि बनाओ तो आई विल मेक द 2 क्वेश्चन वीडियो एज वेल. ओके, सो ये होमवर्क के लिए G we will go for G 42 AB, 7 B square 21 A square B cube C. Now 42. So 42. 2 is in unit place. 2 is in unit place. Okay, so we can divide this 2 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. Then 2 we can't divide 21 by 2, so take 3. By 21 we can divide 3 because 3 sevens are 7 ones are 1 put here. So 42 AB, instead of 42 what we can write, 2 multiply 3 multiply 7 multiply 1 multiply A multiply B. Now 7B square. Okay, 7 multiply B square, B having 2 powers, so take B multiply B. Okay, and then 21A square B cube C. So which is equals to 21. 3 7 7 1 1. 3 multiply 7 is A having 2 power, A multiply B multiply B multiply B. B having 3 power. So we have taken the multiplication 3 times. और C बचा है तो C को ले लो. Now देखो अभी कि तीनों में कौन सा कॉमन. पहले हम लोग दो में देखते थे, अब तीनों में जो कॉमन होगा वो होगा HCF. तो कौन सा आ रहा है, यहाँ पर भी 7 आ रहा है, यहाँ पे भी 7 है, यहाँ पे भी 7. लिख दो एक बार 7, है ना. HCF करेक्ट है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन डाल दो. अब कौन सा वापस आ रहा है, B आ रहा है. आई थिंक B यहाँ पर भी, यहाँ पर भी, यहाँ पर भी, तो लिख दो. तो 7B is the HCF of 42AB, 7B square 21A square B cube C. So this way we have completed exercise 7.1 second question.
All the students are hereby informed that if they watch the video, then comment in below section.